Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add a countdown to Shopify cart. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, you need to install an application from App Store called Essential Countdown. I have that already downloaded. Let me show you how it is gonna look. So if you simply head over to the timer, you can see we basically have this free plan going on, and this is going to be the timer. So let's just publish this, and I'm gonna increase the timer. Let's just say due time and stuff like that. I'm gonna change the end to, you're gonna increase basically the design, and you can also choose fixed minutes or countdown to date. So you can set your date as well. Let's just say I want to set it to minutes, and let's just increase it to 1,000. So it's gonna be 16 hours or even more. So 6 days. Let's just continue and publish this, and now I'm going to head over to the front end section and see how it is going to look. So let's just give a try to that. If I head over to my cart section, click on view product, you can see the timer is ready to go. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.